Okay, so in today's video, I will be telling you guys what a metaphor is. So, a metaphor compares two and like things without using like or as, where a simile uses like or as to describe two unlike things. So, metaphor and simile often gets confused, but at the end of this video, hopefully you'll know what a metaphor is. So, um, again, a metaphor compares two unlike things without using like or as. So you could say, "You are my sunshine." So basically, comparing the person you're talking to the sun, or you could say, "The world's a stage." So basically, using the world and comparing it to a stage, but without using like or as. Metaphors are very commonly used. They're used in TV shows, movies, novels, books, anything you could think of. You could probably relate it to a metaphor somehow. Metaphors are used in many popular literature, stories, books. Actually, the quote from The Fault in Our Stars about the cigarette being the metaphor is basically what helped a whole generation of kids figure out what a metaphor was. They're also used in Fahrenheit 451, To Kill a Mockingbird, Dante's Inferno. All the classical stories have metaphors in them because it enhances the writing, it enhances the author's way of speaking to the reader, and metaphors just basically are used to enhance writing. But instead of coming out and saying, "You are like the sunshine," you could say, "You are my sunshine," because that makes things sound so much better. So hopefully you guys understand now what a metaphor is. I hope I explained it. I hope I told you guys what the differences were from a metaphor and a simile. So thank you for watching.